Photoplay's YouTube channel and welcome back to Tuesdays with Tina. I have two fun projects to share with you today. With 4th of July being around the corner, I thought we'd make two 4th of July cards. We're using the With Liberty 12x12 collection pack. We're also going to be using the Coordinating Ephemera pack, just a few pieces from here. And then I thought we would use a die set today. This is the Say It With Stamps Tag Toppers Scallop and Bracket metal die set. And we're going to be using this on our card projects today. So I'm going to pick out some pattern papers. I'll share with you the names of them. I share the names because most of your favorite craft stores will sell the 12x12 sheets individually. Pick out some papers and I'll be right back. The pattern papers that we're going to be using today, we have the America the Beautiful. This one actually has the cut aparts on the reverse side, but we're going to be using this red piece here. We have Family Picnic. Family Picnic has stripes on the reverse side, but we're not going to use those. We have Old Glory, and we have Stars and Stripes. The Stars and Stripes have stars on one side, stripes on the other. We're going to use both of these on our card projects today. So I'm going to trim down some pattern papers, and we're going to do a little bit of die cutting. For my first card, we're going to be doing some die cutting with a tag topper, and I'm going to die cut out a tag top with the floral pattern paper, and then there is a flower in that same die set. I'm going to cut out 3 white flowers for this card. So I'm going to run this through my die cut machine and I'll be right back. This is what our tag looks like. What I'm going to do is glue it to a panel that measures 3 inches wide by 4 1/4. I'm just going to use a little bit of glue at the very top, and then we'll attach our tag. Once we have this adhered, I'm going to bring in a red eyelet. I like texture on my card. This is a step that you could completely step, but I just like the way this looks. Okay, let's thread some red twine through here. Okay, and I'm not going to tie the bow on it just yet. What we're going to do is take this panel. This measures 4 inches by 5 1/4. Now I'm going to take this and adhere this to the front of my card base, and I'm going to add some foam tape behind here. I'm going to take our tag, I'm going to adhere it at the very bottom of our card base here, and then I'm going to go ahead and tie a bow at the very top. Okay, now we're going to add some stickers. Let's take our sticker sheet. For my background, I thought we'd add this piece here to add a little bit of blue in our background, and I'm going to put it down towards the bottom. And then and we're going to use this floral. I went ahead and removed the tackiness of the sticker with some powder, and I put a piece of foam tape behind it, and we're going to go ahead and add this. I also have this sticker here. We're going to add this at the very bottom. We're going to overlap it. Just slightly here. And as far as our ephemera goes, I have this piece here. Using my scissors, I'm going to trim off the red portion, and we're going to add some adhesive behind here. And I'm going to do a little tucking with this. We're going to use our striped sticker here. I'm going to go ahead and trim down a small piece, and I'm going to add this at the seam, and then I'm also going to use the blue piece here, and we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to layer this right in the middle of that tag. We're going to add some darker blue to the very top. I love when Photoplay adds borders to their stickers. Okay, we have our ephemera piece, and I'm going to tack this down. And then I have the Happy 4th of July. I thought we would add this. We're going to add a foam square here, and we'll add Happy 4th of July. Kind of doing a couple of layers here. And then we have our flowers. The flowers I'm going to flip over and add some small foam squares behind here. We're going to add some small stars in the center of these flowers, kind of keeping with the patriotic theme. And I'm going to add one small greeting. Now, since this is 4th of July, we do need a little bit of sparkle. So I'm going to bring in some gems. I'm going to bring in some gold gems. And we're going to add it to the flower centers. And that will finish off my first card. We're going to jump into card number 2. For my next card, we have this piece of pattern paper with the stripes on it. This measures 3 3/4 inches by 5 inches. Now I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to just go over the sides, kind of distressing the sides here. And then I have a 1 1/4 inch strip of this star paper. I'm going to do the same, just kind of distressing the edges, giving it more of a vintage feel. I went ahead and used one of my the bracket in the die set that we used earlier and created this bracket here. Let's adhere this to our card base. Making sure it's centered. And then I'm going to use my scissors and we'll just fishtail the bottom of this. I'm going to distress the bottom of this also so it all flows. And then we will add some adhesive behind here and we're going to tack this down all the way to the bottom. We have this piece here. We're going to go ahead and add our bracket, and I'm going to tuck it underneath that star paper. We did a little tucking with that bracket. Okay, in our sticker sheet we have this nice United States piece. We're going to take this sticker, I removed the tackiness and put foam tape behind it. We're going to add this a little towards the bottom. And then we also have some star stickers from our sticker pack. And I'm going to go ahead and add these. And then we're going to add our God Bless America. Kind of adjust those stars a little bit. In our sticker sheet we also have 2 fireworks. And we are going to go ahead and add these, kind of tucking them under. Let's go ahead and add our fireworks here. And then we're going to add a little bit of sparkle using some more of those gold gems. And maybe some of the background here also. I thought we needed a little texture. So what I did was took some of that same red twine and I just wrapped it around the tag here. And that will finish off that card. Let's take a look at both cards that we made today with the Photoplay papers with Liberty 12x12 collection. I thank you so much for joining me today. Have a fabulous day and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.